Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City where I make crafts all the time with my craft group here in the city. We're called Craftermath, and you can find us at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to make shapes out of sticks. So I've got some popsicle sticks here. They are colored orange, and we're going to make a triangle. So basically, I'm going to lay down my first stick, take my glue gun. I always use glue guns for this kind of stuff because it dries very fast. So I'm going to put a glob of glue on there. And I'm going to take a glue stick and I'm going to put it at an angle towards the top. And that is where my next stick is going to go. So I'm just going to put, while it is drying, you can move the sticks around and get them to where you want, and then just leave it alone and let it do its thing. You can just kind of pick it up off the paper to make sure it doesn't stick, and then just set it back down. Now I'm going to move on to my next popsicle stick. I'm going to put a little glob of glue in the top, in the left-hand corner. There we go. And I'm going to actually put this stick on top of the last one. So I'm just going to place that. The reason why is because I like to keep a little bit of equalness to the stick. So if I make one on top of the next on top of the next. Now with the other one, I'm going to place it underneath the original stick that we started with. And then all three of the sticks are going to be moving in the same direction. It's going to look really neat. So I've already placed my stick under the other. I'm going to lift it now, just enough to be able to get a little glue on there. And then I'm going to stick the stick into the glue and just hold it in place for a second. And then I can lift it up and voila, got yourself pretty darn near perfect triangle here. Like it very much. You can go on to make circles and octagons and squares and really just about any shape you like. Just look it up in a book, find it, and replicate it with the sticks. Happy crafting.